First of all, I think we feel very happy that the government recognises that there's potential in our application and what we are trying to do. So that's a good thing.
We're very happy. We're very glad that ACE and Spring have decided to help us fund our app.
It's a mixed feelings. For me, it's a mixed feeling because not happy at the same time, but at the same time, you know that you have a very challenging path.
Happy, really happy. Okay, because I think this is a very good help. Okay, for startup like myself.
It's like a battlefield. It's like a battlefield.
It's like a matchmaking session.
It's hard. It makes me think. It makes me actually feel like, you know, schooling time. Okay, exam. You know, the kind of butterfly in the stomach.
They want to see how you react and what kind of person you are.
I guess as long as you know what your business is and you know
What you're doing.
and you believe in it, then you walk into that panel, and of course you have the facts to back you up. Then you have nothing to be worried about.
Yes, they come with a real life experience, so the takeaway is that as we pursue our idea, we also need to be open to other people's ideas as well.
I personally think it's actually the support they're willing to give you. They were actually very open to new ideas.
It's like a magnifying glass. It magnifies what you should do the next step.
It was a really good experience, but scary one. Well, getting down to business.
The launch of Biggest Baddest Parties.
Yes, definitely the launch.
The launch, it's a very exciting time. We're actually very excited to start working with Hormento.
Starting work on the app and nurturing it into life.
I think it's really interesting to get the kind of feedback that we had in one room from people who have done it before.
Kind of give you a guide like how you should walk the path and what you should do the next. What's the next step you should take?
Try to incorporate where we think is best, but at the same time not change our own idea.
Stay true to the dream, but along the way, as Irene mentioned, you'll have to change the ways you get towards your dream.